In this tutorial, I walk you through how you can import safely and predictably from any Chinese website, any website at all in China. The most popular website in China that many people who use our platform to import from China use is 1688.com. It is very popular. It is in Chinese language, but I'm going to show you how you can easily and effortlessly translate the page or the website to English language if you want to buy from the website. You can also buy from Alibaba.com, Pinduoduo, Taobao, and hundreds of other websites in China. So if you are in the United Kingdom and you're looking to import stuff from China and you don't know how to do it, this is a way to do it, and it is very easy. Now let's start. You need to go to SureImports.com and create a free account. SureImports.com. Create a free account, and when you sign in, you will be here on this particular screen and you click create order. You can give your order a name. Let's say we want to buy lip gloss, and we just type it lip gloss UK order, for instance. The destination country is United Kingdom. The currency of the shop you want to buy from is Chinese yuan, 1688.com. All the products are listed in Chinese currency, and the other category is, let's say it's just liquids or gases or powder because it's lip gloss. Then the shipping plan, you can choose between express shipping and sea shipping. Now, if you're buying a lot of items, it is best for you to use sea shipping because you're going to save on shipping. If you're buying a small item, say about 10 kg, you should use express shipping. The minimum weight we actually ship from China to the UK is 10 kg. But if you're buying items that are a lot, about 50 kg, 30 kg, 100 kg or more, we recommend strongly that you use sea shipping because it will save you a lot of cost. What we will do is to use sea by our own means, ship it to the UK, and when the product arrives in the UK and is cleared from customs, we now hand it over to Royal Mail or FedEx or DHL or UPS, and they will do last mile delivery. What we offer to anybody shipping from China to the UK is door-to-door shipping. We ship from China and you receive it at your doorstep in the United Kingdom. You don't bother about customs or anything. We handle all that end to end. So you choose sea shipping and then you enter your UK address here. All right, click create order, and then now you begin to add the products that you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy lip gloss. You search for lip gloss here. Just type lip gloss. You already did it before now, and you select any of the outcomes here. Then you come here. So let's say we want to buy this particular one. You click on it. The tab is already opened here, and this is the lip gloss. This is the page for this particular lip gloss. Now let's look at the prices. From 3 units to 799 units, you're going to get each lip gloss or lipstick for 2.5 yuan. If you're buying from 800 to 1,499, you're going to get each lipstick or lip gloss for 2.30 yuan. This is in yuan. To get the equivalent in pounds, you need to divide this value by about 10. To get the value in pounds, you need to divide this value by 10. So this comes to very, very cheap in China. And then if you're buying from 1,500 pieces and above, you get it for 2.10 yuan for each lipstick or lip gloss, as the case may be. So what you want to do here is to copy the link of this product, which is what I have highlighted here. Copy it and go back to your dashboard and click here and paste it where you have product link. The name is, you can just call it lip gloss. These are all kinds of lip gloss, different prices based on packaging, based on quality and all that. So read through and choose the type of lip gloss you want to buy from China. And then by the time you select any one you want, or lipstick, whatever it is, call it like that. What is the weight of this? I'm going to hazard a guess that the weight of this is about 0.05 kg. There's a video that we have provided here that actually shows you how you can find the weight of the product on 1688.com. You can click on it and watch this video. I wouldn't want to spend time there, but I've used 0.05 kg, which I think is what the weight of one lip gloss or lipstick will be. The unit price of this, now let's say we want to buy 1,000 units of this, and it's 2.3 yuan for each. So we do 2.3 yuan and the quantity is 1,000. And then you can provide more information about what you want about the lip gloss. So you provide more product information here, and then you click add product. So this is the lip gloss UK order you've created. You open it and you see what you have, just the order you've just created. So you can add as many products as you want in this same order, and all of them will be broken down in this table, and you will see the total cost of the products. You will see the estimated shipping cost of order to the UK. Now, because you chose C shipping, the international shipping cost is $250 for 1,000 lip glosses or lipsticks, and the total weight is 50 kg. 1,000 times 0.05 is 50 kg, and destination country is United Kingdom. Now note that this is an estimated shipping cost of this order based on the weight you have entered and based on the shipping rate that our system uses. Our system currently uses $5 per kg for the shipping rate. Now it is possible that by the time you receive your product, package it together, confirm the product, that the actual weight may be more than the 50 kg that you have here, or it may be less. So if we have overestimated the shipping cost, we will create a refund for you, and you will find the refund here. If you click these refunds, we'll get there later. You will see the refunds. If the shipping cost is overestimated, we will create a refund for you, which you can access on your dashboard. But if the cost that we have estimated here is lower than the actual, you will be required to make a top-up payment. Now, it is also possible that depending on the particular product, that the shipping rate we have used of $5 per kg is less than the actual. If it is less, then you are also going to make a top-up payment. But we've used $5 per kg because all things being equal, we should be able to deliver your product to you by sea at $5 per kg using our shipping partner. But sometimes, many times, it can be more than that, and we will communicate that to you. So these are the shipping details, and this is the grand total cost of the order. So it is going to cost you about £498 to get 1,000 lip gloss. So that means that each lip gloss is costing about 498.36. I'm using my calculator, divided by 1,000. It means that the estimated landing cost of this to your doorstep in the UK is about £0.5 for one lipstick. I don't know the cost of that in the UK, but this is what it is here going by. Of course, if you are buying more, the unit cost continues to drop. Remember, it is also possible for us to create a private label. If you want to brand your own, you want to create your own private label, we are able to also do that. You will have to utilize what we call special sourcing for that. But if you just want to buy what is on the shelf of suppliers in China on 1688.com, then this is what you have to do. So you come here, you click pay with Flutterwave, and then it launches our payment processor, and then you're going to pay actually the USD equivalent, not the pounds equivalent, and then to process your order, and then we will get to work to start buying what you have ordered. I had mentioned that I will show you how you can actually translate 1688.com from Chinese to English language, and I want to quickly do that now. To do that, you need to be browsing on Google Chrome. You need to be browsing on Google Chrome. If you hit Google Chrome and type 1688.com and it doesn't automatically translate to English language, all you need to do is to right click and click translate to English, and it will translate the page or the entire website to English language. It is as simple as that.